Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about how you can sign up for a Borrowell account. Signing up for a free Borrowell account is a straightforward process, typically done online in just a few minutes. First, you will need to visit the Borrowell website or download their mobile app. Look for the Sign Up or Get Started button. You will be asked to provide some basic personal information. This usually includes your email address, and you will need to create a secure password for your account. Next, you'll be prompted to provide more details about yourself, such as your name, date of birth, and current address. This information is needed to help verify your identity and pull your credit information. A key step is verifying your identity with Equifax, the credit bureau Borrowell partners with in Canada. To do this, you will be asked a few specific security questions based on your credit history that only you should know. Borrowell does not ask for your SIN number or credit card number to sign up for the free service. Once your identity is verified, your account is created, and you will be able to view your free Equifax credit score and credit report. You will also get access to the credit coach and personalized financial product recommendations. And that's it. You've successfully signed up for a Borrowell account. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.